Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can make a logo design in Adobe Illustrator, and I'll be showing you from the basics, and I will also leave the step-by-step instructions in the description as well. So make sure to check that out. I'm going to make a logo for my restaurant. The name of the restaurant is Burger Point. And from the name you can imagine this is about the burgers. So my idea for that logo will be around the burger as well. So let me show you how you can make a logo for that. First you need to select the ellipse tool and draw a perfect circle just like that. I'm going to place it here, and now I'm going to select the rectangle tool and cut that in half. I'm going to use the shape builder tool and remove this part. I'm going to change its color to yellow. This one is more better. Now I'm going to draw the below part of that. I'm using the rectangle tool again, and I'm going to draw the patty below that bun. I'm going to color this as the dark brown. And now I'll be making some adjustment to this. Now I'm going to draw the third layer that will be below the patty, and that is salad. For that I'm going to use the pen tool. And I'm going to draw something like that. Now I'm going to color this as green. I think this color will be good enough. Yeah. Now I'll be making some adjustments to that as well. Now I'm going to draw the fourth layer, and again I'm using the rectangle tool and draw the same size as the previous one. And this layer will be the tomato, and that will be red. I'm going to place it here, and I'm going to change the color to red. I think this red will be good enough. Yes. So once again I'm going to select this with direct selection tool and reduce the corners, and I'm going to put this layer one above that. So for that I'm going to select this layer and go to arrange and bring to front. I'm going to add another patty layer. I'm going to copy this one by holding the shift key and drag it to down here. And there you go. Now I'm going to change the color to something lighter version of this. This looks good enough. Now I'm going to place the down part of the bun. I'm going to select this one and right click and click on transform and then reflect. Now I'm going to take a copy of this layer and put it below. Now I'm going to select this part and drag it up here. Now you have got the main part of your logo design. If you want to add some shades, you can do that as well. You can make adjustment according to your needs. You are not bind. You can make adjustment according to your need, and you can use your imagination like I told you before to make the best design that shows your logo. Now I'm going to add the name of the logo. I'm going to place it here. Firstly, I'm going to select all of this and make a group. Now I'm going to change the font of this, and I'm going to say make some minor adjustments. And that's how you make a logo design for your business. If this helps you in any way, make sure to like that video and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.